Every team had a green egg, and we brought one of our loco boilers with us. It started out, we were about ankle deep water, and we're out there cooking. We're cooking these lobsters we caught. We brought in shrimp.
Wow.
We had steak standing in this beautiful crystal clear water in the middle of nowhere, cooking this stuff, and it was an amazing experience. By the time we left, though, water was getting up pretty high, ice chests and stuff were starting to float around, and people had to scramble there at the end to get all our stuff out of there. But it was unlike any event I've ever been to. It was amazing.